Alright, let's go into Magic Kingdom and have some fun. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day.
Plenty of sunshine.
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay.
Mr. Bluebird. Oh, well, we'll get into the whole thing. I don't know the whole thing.
I don't know any of
I
it.
stopped at Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder and that's it. I'm done.
I stopped at hello. Look how beautiful this place is. Folks, I want to tell you it's highly accessible all the way through the Magic Kingdom park. Matter of fact, all of Disney World. It's just an amazing place. So I highly recommend anybody, if you have any questions, please, put them in the comments below and we will get answers to you. We moved down to Central Florida so we can bring to you the Accessible Traveler channel and be able to make sure that you guys understand the Magic Kingdom and the rest of Walt Disney World and how accessible it really is. So please feel free to comment and we will get back to your questions as quickly as we can. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The moment we have 1,000 subscribers, then YouTube will allow us to live stream from the parks, and we plan on doing that every Friday night. So we'll sit back and enjoy a stroll down Main Street, USA.